great experience. I had a marvelous time. I was in the LKOT number 314, and I was president of the Engineers Club.
Wow.
And I was most proud to be in about 3 honorary fraternities, and also to be selected one of the top 10 senior men in the whole university. I averaged close to 19 hours a semester, because in those days, if you didn't get out in quick time, you were in the Army, because this was during the Korean War. So we went 6 days a week from 8 to 5. Oh yeah, that was a good incentive to knuckle down and do your work. But the discipline of working, you had to get things done, you had to be on time. Because you know, one of the secrets in business is just 90% of success is showing up. In fact, I've told people, I also graduated from Harvard Business School as a master's, but I tell people the best education I had was growing up in Oklahoma during the Depression and World War II, and learning how to be honest and responsible and working hard. So I enjoyed my stay at Oklahoma. I just wish it could have gone on forever, but I got my diploma, my commission in the United States Navy, and my orders to sea all at the same time. And then a couple of weeks later, I was on board ship in San Diego. Well, I think I never worked as an engineer per se, because after I got out of graduate school at Harvard, I went for a couple of big corporations for a few years, and then I started my own corporation. And I think the technical background, I knew what the language was, and I started in industrial gas companies, oxygen, nitrogen, argons, medical equipment, all the gases that go into semiconductor plants. So having the technical knowledge was great, but probably the work ethic was more important. Well, main thing is work, work, work. And one of my great experiences was Doc Huntington, that ran the chemical engineering department, founded it, as a matter of fact. I had a heat transfer class under him one time. And so for our project, he had each of us go buy a watermelon. Cost us about a quarter. You're working for 10 cents an hour back then. And I bought my watermelon, and we drilled holes in it to various depths. Then we put thermometers in there, like had one all the way to the core, and then up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little. And then we took them to a big walk-in refrigerator over at the utilities department and put the watermelons in there, and then we'd go back every couple of hours and read the thermometers.
Wow.
And we're trying to figure out the heat transfer through a medium of a watermelon. And then when we got through, we plotted all the temperatures on each of the thermometers so we could see how fast heat transfers out of a watermelon. Well, that was a lot of fun, but the best part of it all, when we finished the experiment, we ate the experiment.